In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Samsung TV no channels found. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two different things that we can go ahead and do this. Now, sometimes channels won't appear if you're connected via HDMI device or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is if you're on an external device or a different HDMI, all you want to do is switch to TV like so, and then you're going to see different channels appearing and anything like that. But what you can also go ahead and do is do a hard reset. So go ahead and power off, using your remote, go ahead and long press this for about 60 seconds and then press it again. And that's going to essentially hard reset it for you, which is essentially what you want to do. But again, the most common thing is just going over and changing your input to TV, and that's going to allow it to work. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.